So first we will know how to draw these diagrams. See, if you see the diagram, that it should cut half of the side, because upper side is also the same thing. We have to mirror it to the downward direction. Okay, for that you have to only draw the upper section only. Okay, so upper section means we have a line here. It means the line should be here like this. Okay, from the center point to here, exactly this line. Exactly in the center we have a circle of diameter of 24. Okay, first do this. Take a circle on exactly on the center plane. What is diameter? 24. Okay, 24 diameter. Next, what is the radius of this? 30 radius. It means 30 radius. It means half of the circle. It means you have to make full circle. It means 60. Take a 60 diameter circle. Okay, so as per I said, we have to draw only half of the direction, so I'm deleting this side. So this is this circle and this one, so I'm doing only half upper one, so I have to delete this lower direction. Okay, two works completed. Next, third one. First work completed, second circle also completed. This circle we have to delete it later. So next, okay, next what you have to do? So we have a length of 54 here. It means from the exactly center line. Okay, exactly center line 54. Okay, so after drawing this half of the area, so see, this is we have a circle we did here and another circle here. So in this here there is an easy way that from center to what is the distance? This is 37. It means I am doing a length of 37 mm. Okay, make it 37. Okay, then delete this line. Okay, from here to total 37 mm. Now what is the distance of this upper one? 54. Half of the 54 is 27. So take a line from here and draw a line of 27. Okay, straight 37 and 27. We got a circle point here. So then draw this circle of which mm? Diameter 12. Diameter 12. So then see, we have a radius of r60. It means this dotted line we have to draw in r60. Take a circle from the center point. r60, it means radius. You have to convert it into diameter. 60 to 120. Made 120. Okay, simply we'll get it easily. So this is 120 circle. This is 120. Okay. So from here it is the center line. Okay, the center line. From here, this is, for example, this is center line. Okay, center line. So if your dimension is r60, it means from here to this line also 60, from center to this 60 diameter, because it is radius. Simply you can convert it to 60. The same thing you will get it. Okay. From here, from 60 to, we have to convert into a angular line. What you have here? 30 degrees. It means from this V section we have to draw a 30 degrees line. Simply draw a line here. Just draw a line and just change the conversion. So it's taking from here. But this is 90 degrees. Okay, 90. Okay, see, there is a angle this. So this is a 90 and plus 30, it means 120 degrees. make it 120. Okay, it means we got a point here, exact point, this point. Okay, draw a circle here. Which circle? First one R10, R14. What is the meaning of R10? Okay, R10 means 10 and 20. 20 dia, 14, 14, 24 dia. Okay, we got from here the same thing, and also here also the same circle, first circle and second circle, same radius, and again from the center join these two, first and second. Okay, then delete remaining part. Okay, delete the remaining lines. So what are you getting from it? Okay, draw a line. So see, we got this line and this is R15. It means 30 diameter you have to take from this point. So before, just delete it once. Okay, so I have deleted this. So draw R15, it means radius 15, radius into 2, 15 means 30. So draw a 30 diameter, 30 diameter radius like this. Okay, so I've joined because this is also converted into 30 diameter only. Okay, then simply, so this thing should come to here, draw a line, okay, up to here, and delete this line, extra line. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to join. First join of radius 12. Okay, radius 12 you have to join from here to here. So what is it for? Radius 3 point tangent end. Okay, tangent end, it means already we got tangent here T, simply leave it. Okay, we got the point. Next, here to here we got another tangent, so go for, okay, what is the radius of this? You have to see the radius R12. Okay, R12 means from here you should start from exactly on the bottom of this place point, from here to this is middle of the area, so we will get easily M. Okay, what is R12? This is R30. Okay, this is R12. Okay, delete this. Okay, here half of the diagram completes here. Half of the diagram complete. Very easy one. So another line we have to do it here, the upper one. So take another circle. It's a tangent. Okay, tangent, and delete the remaining part. And lower also we have to convert. Simply draw a circle from here to tangent. Just see, you have to make a tangent of these two circles. Okay, it's tangent. Again delete remaining circles. Should do this only. Delete again. Okay, done with diagram. Extra lines, you have to delete these extra lines because it creates errors. Half of the diagram completes. See, another line we have. When you're selecting the mouse scroll center button, it shows the mistakes or open ends. You have to check again and again wherever the open ends happen. See, we have a line here, so just delete. Got it? So we are here, another line we have, again delete, again just another line we have, delete segment, delete the line. Okay, simply take a center line, draw here. Okay, select mirror tool. Select the mirror tool and select all the diagram like this. Left cursor mouse. Okay, again select mirror, then select center line. Okay, diagram completes. So here we should get these type of white areas, but it also we are not getting. It means somewhere there is a mistake here. Take a delete segment, just draw a circle here. See, again we have a line and delete it. Okay, now we are getting the diagram. See. Okay, see, this is very easy diagrams. Simply you have to convert into 3D. Select extrude, like as per your own. I'm taking as 15 mm as extrude diameter. See.